Oh man, they're gonna run over Canyon.
It's my favorite time of the year.
Probably been doing it forever.
The Christmas holidays.
Thank you.
What's up, my YouTube people? I'm with my lovely bride.
Hello.
My lovely daughter and her boyfriend Pierce. Future operating engineer. I love it. It's what America's all about, bro. Oh, and I had to fire these up. God bless America.
I want him to do the siren.
I love it. I love Queens of the Stone Age, and I love Deftones, bro.
Ava, tell him to do the siren.
But these are the men and women that are the true heroes, bro. Period. Next are our police force. Remember, family's everything, brother. This place is packed. God bless America. Happy Thanksgiving. And happy holidays coming up. That's my favorite truck.